Guys, muto mo nga walay forever. Dili na siya tinod guys. Naay forever. Tanawa. Here at Intalio States, you will live a happy and a very comfortable life forever. So naay forever guys. Ali, tudloan ta mo nganong naay forever. Tanawa oh. Roca Plus. Ang claim ni Intalio States guys is bioclimatic ang iyahang house designs. So what is bioclimatic design? It is a design that produces a natural air ventilation. So karon discuss ta unsay mga factors nga maka-create og natural air ventilation sa Intalio. Guys, first factor, windows. The windows of Intalio States are large and transom. Meaning, kung imo siyang i-open, large amount of air will get in. So bugnaw sa sulod. And if ever init kayong adlaw, the windows are transom. It has the capacity to minimize the direct sunlight. So bugnaw ra sa sulod guys. Okay? Second, the ceiling height. The standard ceiling height of a normal house is at 2.4 meters high. Pero dinhi sa Intalio guys, 2.9, no? Habog ang atong ceiling. So meaning, kung habog ang imong ceiling, of course, more air intake. So kung daghan ang intake sa hangin, it will follow, bugnaw ang imong area. Guys, tanawang si Aro. Luagaw eh. Oh. Mura na sa kwarto guys. Saka ta. By the way, Roca Plus is a 4-bedroom unit, no? Upat na yung bedroom guys. Okay, so the third factor that contributes to the bioclimatic design is the wall. The wall of Intalio State, the wall of the model units of Intalio States are gypsum. So meaning it has the capacity to protect heat. Meaning it does not absorb heat. Muna siya guys, gypsum. Luagay gid sa CR. Okay, so mo nang claim ni Intalio. Bioclimatic house designs. So, meaning, not necessarily 24 hours, nag-aircon ka. Oh, at this point in time, alauna. Pero bugnaw guys, bugnaw atong kaka-feel. Okay, so Intalio States is a 50-hectare development of Wicom Properties, composed of 7 phases, and we are very proud to announce that our phase 1 has been sold out. So phase 2 na ta karon guys, no? Phase 2 na atong pre-selling units. If ever interested mo guys, just dial my number 0917 412 9399. Okay, see you on your reservation. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.